In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the header theme color in the Shopify Dawn theme. Whether you're customizing your store to reflect your brand's identity or just want a fresh new look, adjusting your theme's color palette is an easy yet impactful way to enhance its appearance. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make your header pop with the color of your choice. Starting at your Shopify homepage, you'll want to locate the menu on the left-hand side. Here, look for the option labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click on that. It will expand to reveal various settings for your storefront. This section is where you can customize all the visual aspects of your store. Once you've accessed the Online Store section, your next step is to click on Customize. This will take you into the Theme Editor, a powerful tool that allows you to modify your store's appearance without needing any coding knowledge. The editor interface will open up a live preview of your store, allowing you to see changes as you make them. Now, focus your attention on the left side of the theme editor. You'll see different sections that correlate to the parts of your store's layout. Find the section specifically labeled Header. Click on it to open up a range of settings specifically meant for modifying your header's design. With the header settings now visible, direct your attention to the color-related options. Look for a tab or menu labeled Color or Color Scheme. This section is where the magic happens. You'll notice a variety of color options available to pick from. Here, you can choose a color palette that complements your brand's colors or simply something that catches your eye. Selecting a color is more than just about aesthetics. A well-chosen color can enhance readability, ensure accessibility, and set the tone for user interaction. Take your time to preview a few options and see which aligns best with your brand's vibe. Once you've settled on the perfect shade, you're almost there. Having made your choice, your final step is to save your work. Locate the Save button at the top right corner of the theme editor and click it. This ensures all the changes you've tailored are locked in and ready to be seen by your store visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your header theme color in the Shopify Dawn theme. This quick customization not only boosts the visual appeal of your online store, but also reinforces your brand identity through consistent use of color. Remember, updating your store's look is a journey, so feel free to experiment with different themes and colors to find what feels right. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy customizing!